Now, what is then the optimal pre-milking routine nowadays to get an efficient milking? So to get that squeeze of milk so that we can harvest the milk that the cow has produced. Well, it all starts with pre-foaming. And pre-foaming is not really a stimulus, no, but it's important to clean the teat, and we will come back on that in one of the next slides. So we will pre-foam. We do that for the next 4 to 5 cows. Then we come back to the first cow, and then we will start the stimulation. And the stimulation consists of 2 steps. We have first of all the forestripping, so milking away a couple of streams of milk, and then we have wiping. And the forestripping should take about 8 seconds at a minimum of 8 seconds per animal. And then we have wiping, and that should take minimum 7 seconds per animal. So in total we have a stimulation of 15 seconds and preferably even 20 seconds. So we do that for the first cow, the second cow, the third cow. We do that for 5 cows in a row, and then we come back to the first cow and we will attach the milking cluster. And that makes sure that we do have enough stimulation to get high concentrations of oxytocin, that we have a good release of milk into the udder, and that we can harvest all milk that she has produced in between 2 milkings.